So last time we had seen what information can we get from a railway ticket. A railway ticket provides us a lot of information. For example, the train number, the name of the train, the timing of the departure of train, and the ticket number, how many people are traveling in the train, if he is a adult or if he is a child. That also we get to know in the railway ticket. Now we'll move forward today. Now we are going to talk about the railway timetable. Now what is a railway timetable? So let us see what is it. So railway timetable gives details about the route of every train. For example, from Kashipur Junction, a lot of train depart every day. So at the uh, railway station of Kashipur, there must be a railway timetable which will give you the information that at what time which train is going to depart and at what time which train is going to arrive. Depart means departure means to leave the station and arrival means to come at the station. You know very well that trains keep coming and going from the station. So the trains which are coming to the station, we will say that the train has arrived. And the trains which leave the station, we'll say that the train has departed. Okay. So this is the difference between arrival and departure. So the railway timetable tells all of this, that which train
Good
is going
morning,
to arrive and which train is going to depart the station and at what time. The railway timetable, Pranshu, just turn your mic off. The railway timetable also tells the stations along the route. Route means, for example, if I have to go from Kashipur to Rajasthan. So in the railway timetable, I will get to know all the stations, all the places from where I would pass while going from Kashipur to Rajasthan. So all the stations along the route. Route means path. The path which we are taking in our journey, that is called route. So all the stations will be written in the railway timetable. What time the train will reach and leave each station. The timing of the train is also written over here. The distance covered, yes, and distance will also be mentioned in the railway timetable, that from in moving from Kashipur to Rajasthan, how much distance we will cover, that will also be written in the railway timetable. So we can buy a railway timetable from the railway station. If you want to compare, if we are moving on a long journey, on a long trip, if we are going, then it is it is good that if a person purchases the railway timetable from the railway station, he will keep tracking, he will keep tracking at what station, at which station he has arrived and at what time he will reach to the other station. So that will keep coming up. Okay, so he can check all of this by using the railway timetable. Now some portions of the timetable for the route of the train on which Omana travelled are given. You know that Omana started her journey from Gandhidham and at last she departed at which station? Kottayam station. So the stations which she has passed has been given over here in this table. So we have to look carefully and answer the coming questions. After going through this railway timetable, we will have to answer some of the questions. So the answers will be given by you only. I will not give the answer. So let us see what is the name of the train and what is the train number. So this is the train number and this is the name of the train, Gandhidham Nagarcoil Express. So this is the name of the train in which Omana is traveling. Now the first station at which Omana arrived was Gandhidham. It means the train has started from which station? Gandhidham station. Now what is the arrival time? Arrival time means at what time the train has come at the Gandhidham station. That time has not been given. Why? Can anyone tell me why this time has not been given? The arrival time at Gandhidham station. Why this time is not given?
them because they go in the
What?
क्योंकि मैम वो लोग मैम गांधीधाम स्टेशन से निकले थे.
Yes, exactly. The train has started from the Gandhidham station, and the so that is why the train cannot arrive there. It is already present over there since the last night, so arrival time has not written over there because the train journey has started from there. And Pranshu and Nikhil, you cannot see my voice. The voice is, you will not say the voice is not visible. You will say the voice is not audible. Okay, visible are the things which we can see. Okay, you cannot see the voice, you can listen to the voice, and the things which we can listen are called audible, not visible. And I hope it is audible now. Pranshu and Nikhil, just let me know if the voice is audible now or not.
मैम ऑडिबल.
Okay, so let us see now. The next station which the train has arrived was Ahmedabad. So you see that from Gandhidham the departure time was 5:15 in the morning. Okay, and distance in kilometer means the train has not covered any distance till now. It is zero because the train is over there only and it has not reached any other place. And it is the first day of the journey. Now second station is Ahmedabad, and in Ahmedabad the train arrived at 11:30. You know that at 11:30 in the morning, Omana and her family joined, uh, came into the started their journey. And the departure time means at 11:50 the train from the Ahmedabad left. It departed at 11:50 from Ahmedabad. Now what is the distance between Gandhidham and Ahmedabad? So the distance between Gandhidham and Ahmedabad will be 301 kilometers, and it is the still first day is going on. In the first day we are going to travel with how many stations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stations we are going to travel in first day, and then the second day will start. So you see that as we are moving downward, जैसे जैसे हम लोग नीचे की तरफ जा रहे हैं, the distance is increasing and all the distance is adding up. वो सारा distance क्या हो रहा है? Add up हो रहा है. Means from Gandhidham from Gandhidham to Ahmedabad we have covered 301 kilometers, and then from Gandhidham to Vadodara, which is the third station, and at 14:03. Now you know very well, 14 means 2, 2 p.m. 14 means 2 p.m. It is the 24-hour clock time. See, we have two types of clock time. One is the 12-hour clock time, and the other is the 24-hour clock time. What happens in the 12-hour clock time? That we see the time only till 12 o'clock, and after that we again start coming at 1. Okay, but in 24-hour clock time what happens after 12? What happens after 12 p.m.? We have 13 p.m. We have 13 o'clock. Okay, like this. And after 13 we have 14, and then 15. Okay, and then 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, and the 24th hour, the 24th hour means 12 o'clock at midnight. The 24th hour, as soon as the 24th hour arrives, it means we have reached the 12 o'clock at midnight. Okay, so this is the 24-hour clock time. So here 14:03 means 2 means 2 hours and 3 minutes, and after, and it is the PM means 2 3 p.m. and this is 2:10 p.m. Now what is the distance till Vadodara? Till Vadodara we have covered 401 kilometers, and so on. We have a lot of stations over here. Then Surat we have covered 530 kilometers. Then at Valsad we have covered 598 kilometers. Then Bhiwandi Road we have covered 772 kilometers, and so on. and this is the distance. This is not the distance between those two stations. This is the distance from the starting point till the end point. Means if we talk about the distance, if anyone asks us that what is the distance between Gandhidham and Madgaon, what is the distance between Gandhidham and Madgaon, then we will say 1509 kilometers is the distance between Gandhidham and Madgaon station. Okay, so this is the distances which has been given. They have been given from the starting point. हमें वो starting से ही वो distances दी गई हैं. Okay, so I hope the distance concept is clear. Now let us talk about the time concept. What is the time? Then when at Surat, at what time the train has arrived? Surat कितने बजे train पहुंची? So 15 minutes past 4 o'clock means 15 minutes past 4 p.m. So at this time, Surat, the train arrived in Surat. And this is 1620 means 20 minutes past 4. Yes, 20 minutes past 4. This is the time at which the train departed from Surat. So as so on. But a lot of stations have been given over here from Gandhidham to Nagarcoil station. So now we'll see some of the questions which have been given. Let us see the question now. Now the first question is, circle the names of all the stations in the table that are mentioned in Omana diary. Omana की डायरी में कौन कौन से स्टेशन के नेम लिखे हुए थे? Which station has Omana mentioned in her diary? So we have to circle all those stations. Give the answers in the chat box. Which stations have been mentioned by Omana in her diary? What are those stations? कौन कौन से स्टेशन के नेम ओमाना ने अपनी डायरी में लिखे थे?
गांधीधाम.
Write in the chat box. Nikunj, you have to tell the answer. Tell me the answer. Which stations have been mentioned by Omana in her diary?
Gandhidham.
Yes, first of all, Gandhidham. Gandhidham is the station which has been mentioned by Omana in her diary. Then
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. Yes, Ahmedabad.
Vadodara.
No, no. Vadodara is not there. Yes, Valsad.
Ma'am, Kozhikode.
Madgaon. Then Madgaon is there. Udupi is there.
Madgaon. Udupi.
Yes.
Kozhikode.
Kozhikode. Then
Kottayam.
Kottayam. Last. So these are all the stations which have been mentioned by Omana in her diary. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 stations are there out of 14 which have been mentioned by Omana in her diary. Mahi, Vadodara Omana has not mentioned in her diary. Vadodara का mention Omana ने अपनी डायरी में नहीं किया था. Okay, these 7 stations are there which have been mentioned by Omana. Nikunj, turn your mic off. Okay, so this is the answer of the first one. 7 stations. What are those 7 stations? Gandhidham, Ahmedabad, Valsad,
Sorry to disturb you, Ma'am Kritika ma'am. Sorry to disturb you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, Radha.
One student is there who she says, and her mother is calling me that she won't be able to join the class. So kindly permit her or kindly admit her in the classroom.
Yeah, sure. Is she Khushi?
She is safe, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I've done that. Khushi, turn your mic off on. Yeah. Khushi, turn your mic on.
Ma'am.
Khushi, at what time did you join the class today? You are late today, right? Ananya, turn your mic off. Khushi, you are late today, right? Yeah. So you need to join the class at time, right?
मैम हम कब से ज्वाइन कर रहे थे लेकिन मेरा हो नहीं रहा था। मैं किसी का क्लास मतलब ज्वाइन ही नहीं हो रहा था। कब से ट्राई कर रही है 9:15 से।
नहीं मैम, आपको पता है वो क्यों ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा था? क्योंकि आपने किसी और की आईडी से लॉगिन किया हुआ है। आपने खुशी की ईमेल आईडी और पासवर्ड यूज किया ही नहीं है लॉगिन करने के लिए।
ये वो मेरी है।
हाँ, तो आपकी नहीं होनी चाहिए ना,
अच्छा।
क्योंकि जब मैं प्रेजेंट करके पढ़ाना स्टार्ट कर देती हूँ तो उस टाइम मुझे पीछे पता नहीं चल पाता कि कौन स्टूडेंट ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, और वो सिर्फ उन्हीं स्टूडेंट से परमिशन मांगते हैं जिन्होंने अपनी लॉगिन आईडी और पासवर्ड यूज नहीं किया है। तो आपको अपनी लॉगिन आईडी और पासवर्ड यूज करना है।
मैम उसे कैसे किया जाएगा वो मुझे भेज दीजिएगा कि हम इसको किस तरह चेंज करेंगे।
हाँ, तो आप रेशु मैम से कांटेक्ट कर लीजिएगा। रेशु मैम, she will tell you how to log in from the email ID and password which has been given by the school. Okay?
तो मैम आप नहीं कर सकते हो किसी से इतना ही जैसे
Ma'am, actually I'm having class after this also,
आप
so
नहीं।
I'll not be present over there.
ओके अच्छा ठीक है मैम।
Okay, आप ये सॉर्ट आउट कर लीजिए क्योंकि रोज रोज प्रॉब्लम होती है ना।
ओके मैम ओके।
जी। Yes, Ananya, Ananya's mom was saying anything.
मैम आरोही का भी टेलीफोन आता है वो भी क्लास ज्वाइन कर पा रही है।
Arohi, okay, so she must also be having some kind of problem. So you know that the class teacher of fourth is Reshu ma'am. So why don't you contact her in case of any problem?
मैम उसके साथ कांटेक्ट हो गया है। ईमेल आईडी तो वही जो से प्रोवाइड हुई है कोई नहीं पा रहा है।
Okay, so I'll ask Reshu ma'am to contact her. She'll resolve the problem. Okay. Now everyone is, I guess everyone has joined now. We'll continue the chapter. So first question we have already discussed, that which stations have been mentioned by Omana in her diary out of these 14 stations. So we got only 7 stations which have been mentioned by Omana. Now let us see the next one. From which station did the train start? So it has been written in the railway timetable very well that from which station did the train start. So the yes, Arya Bharti and Mahi has already given the answer. The correct, yes, the correct answer is
मैम गांधीधाम।
Gandhidham. This is the station from where the train has arrived. Okay, you don't have to turn your mic on without asking. Now next one is, how many minutes did the train stop at Ahmedabad station? So let us calculate. We need to do some maths over here. अब थोड़ा maths यहाँ पे करेंगे कि अहमदाबाद स्टेशन पे ट्रेन कितनी देर रुकी. So let us see. See, at 11:30 पे ट्रेन अहमदाबाद पहुंची and at 11:50 the train has departed from the station. So give the answers in the chat box. Yes, the answers have been given. Pragati, it's not 2 minutes. It's 20 minutes. Yeah, exactly. 20 minutes is the answer. That 11:30 पे तो ट्रेन वहां पहुंची और 11:50 पे ट्रेन स्टार्ट हो गई. So what is the time difference? So the time difference is 20 minutes. So this is the correct answer of this one. Now let us move to the next question. On which day of the journey did the train reach Madgaon? मडगांव कौन से डे, जर्नी के कौन से डे में ट्रेन पहुंची? So which day is it? So this is the second day. You can see over here we are just on the first day of the journey till भिवांडी रोड. भिवांडी रोड तक हम लोग फर्स्ट डे ऑफ जर्नी पे हैं. But as soon as we reach Madgaon station, we have entered into second day. So Madgaon station कौन से डे पहुंची? Second day is the correct answer. Okay, now let us move to the next question. Sunil and Ant got off at Kozhikode station. You remember very well that Sunil और Ant कौन से स्टेशन तक उनको कहाँ पे डिपार्ट करना था? At Kozhikode station. Now Omana got off at Kottayam station, and you will remember this also, that at what station Omana got off? So that is the Kottayam station. how many hours does the train take to reach Kottayam from Kozhikode? Kozhikode से Kottayam पहुंचने तक how many hours did it take? So Jia has to tell me now. Jia, how many hours did it take to reach from Kozhikode to Kottayam? Here is Kozhikode at 9th number and we have Kottayam at 12th number. How many hours? Means 7:50. What is the meaning of 7:50? 17:50? It means 5:50
Then
p.m.
5:50.
5:50 p.m. in the evening. Yes. First of all, turn your mic off. Okay. So let us see 5:50 p.m. in the evening. Ayush Kumar Srivastava, did I tell you to answer? Turn your mic off. Then we have 21:10 means 9:10 in the night. 22:40 means 10:40 at the night. And this is 23:55 means 11:55 at the night. Is it coming now?
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है मैम.
Is it coming now? Nishant, you just have to check your network internet connection because voice is audible to everyone else. Okay, so 5:50 to 11:55 at night. So how many hours are these?
6 hours.
Yes, 6 hours. These are 6 hours. So the correct answer is 6 hours. Means the answer will be how many hours it has asked. It is not asking us the minutes. So you will write 6 hours. 6 hours is the correct answer. Now let us see the next question. What is the distance the train has travelled over the whole route? पूरे route में train ने कितना distance travel किया है? So I have already told you the train started from Gandhidham and the last station is Nagarcoil. So the total distance which has been travelled is 2649. 2649. Yes, Samak Shrawat, you have given the correct answer. Naman, you also. Okay. So 2649 is the correct answer. This is the total distance which has been covered by the train over the whole journey. पूरी journey के लिए 2649 kilometers is the correct answer. Now let us see the next one. How many kilometers did Omana travel by train? Omana got off at Kottayam station. So how many kilometers did Omana travel? So the correct answer is no, it's not 2318. It's not 2318. एक स्टूडेंट 2318 लिख देता है तो सब लोग उसके पीछे पीछे 2318 लिखने लग जाते हैं. The correct answer is 2418 kilometers. I think you are not the other students are not using their brains. यहाँ पे आर्यव ने गलती से एक बच्चे ने 2318 लिख दिया गलती से. तो यतिका शर्मा, प्रियांशी पांडे, मोहम्मद हसन, you have also written 2318 without checking. बिना चेक किया आपने भी 2318 लिख दिया. It means you are not using your brain. आप जो एक फर्स्ट आंसर आ रहा है उसी को कॉपी करे जा रहे हैं. It is clear now by this. Ansh Agarwal, is my voice audible now? Ansh?
No, ma'am.
Ansh, is it audible
Yes,
now?
Ma'am,
Is it audible? Moksha, is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Moksha, check your internet connection because it is audible to everyone else. Now let us see the next question.
Ma'am, voice is not audible.
So let's check your internet connection. There must be some problem. Now next one is there. Would you like to keep a diary? Take a notebook or a diary every day for a week. Write about what you did. Just wait for a while. So what do you have to do? You have to keep a diary or notebook for 1 week. Okay. Then what you have to do after that? You have to write about what you did. Also write your thoughts and feelings. Share your diary with your friends. So this you can do. You can just make a small diary. You can make a small diary as you used to have earlier. If you remember that you used to write the English words and the meanings, so that in the same way you can again take a diary with you. And today is Saturday, so I'll check your diary on next Saturday. Okay, I'll check if you have written anything over there or not. So what you have to write? You have to write whatever you are doing at your home from morning to night. Okay, आपने आज क्या किया, सुबह से लेके शाम तक आपने क्या किया, you have to write that in points. ठीक है, आपको वो लिखना है. फिर नेक्स्ट डे क्या होगा? इफ नेक्स्ट डे इज द सेम, नेक्स्ट डे जो चीजें आपने आज की हैं कल भी अगर वही चीजें हुई, तो यू कैन स्किप दैट, आप वो मत लिखिए. बट उसके अलावा अगर कुछ नया होता है, if anything new happens,